Okay, E's brave. Do you want to take the tape off? I'll hold it. You take the tape off. Okay, E's going to take all the tape off. Do it fast.
Hurry.
Fast, fast, fast. If you do it fast, it won't hurt as bad. But we had to make it stick in. I'm sorry, does it hurt? Want me to do it? Okay, ready?
No, not that.
I'm not going to do it fast. I'm just getting a big piece.
Stop.
What? Right. Stop recording for a minute. Oh, see? I got a big piece. Let me get another big piece. Ooh, this stinks. Let go. Let go. You're kicking me now. All right.
Stop.